So yeah, guys, I didn't get to finish the video. So yeah, we had a blast, and it was just, wow. It was just an epic New Year's Eve. I celebrated New Year's Eve in the stop of a metro, of a train. That was just really weird. But, I mean, I was in family, so it actually, what cared to me was family. I even said to my mom, like, hey, if we're not gonna do anything special for New Year's Eve, then the important thing is that we're with family and just, celebrate with family. That's all that matters. No matter where you are, no matter if you're like 0 degrees in the train stop, okay? That's me. But again, my family's weird. So yeah. So guys, I hope you had a great 2013, and I hope 2014 will be another great year for you guys. And hopefully less bad things happen to you, or depending if everything goes good, it has gone good with you guys on 2013, then hopefully 2014 will still be the same, and hopefully even much, much better. So yeah. Say bye. Annyeong. This has been Nika. Bye bye, loonies.